A glimpse into the future of investment. Palladium. Palladium. You may not hear this word every day, but you should. It's a metal, a rare one, and it's more valuable than gold. That's right, more valuable than gold. Why? Because we need it. We need it for our cars, our phones, our jewelry. We need it for a greener future. Palladium is no longer just a metal, it's an investment. As the world changes, as we move towards electric cars and cleaner technology, the demand for palladium is only going to rise. This means its value will likely increase too. That's the basic law of supply and demand. Now you might be thinking, investing? That's for Wall Street guys in fancy suits. Not anymore. Investing is for everyone. This guide will break down the secrets of palladium. We'll learn what it is, why it's so expensive, and how you can invest in it. We'll discuss the risks and the rewards. We'll empower you to make informed decisions about your financial future. So buckle up, grab your thinking cap, and let's dive into the world of palladium investment together. Now that we've set the stage, let's answer a fundamental question. What exactly is palladium? Palladium is a chemical element represented by the symbol Pd on the periodic table. It belongs to a group of metals known as the platinum group metals, PGMs. This exclusive group includes other valuable metals like platinum, rhodium, ruthenium, iridium, and osmium. They share similar properties, often occurring together in nature. These metals are known for their durability, resistance to corrosion, and high melting points, making them incredibly valuable for various industrial and technological applications. Palladium, in its pure form, is a lustrous, silvery white metal. It's soft and ductile, meaning it can be easily shaped and stretched into thin wires. This malleability is a highly desirable property, especially in industries that require precision and intricate designs. Think of delicate jewelry pieces, or the complex components within your smartphone. Palladium's versatility extends beyond its physical properties. It possesses remarkable catalytic capabilities, making it essential in chemical reactions. But what does this mean in simpler terms? Imagine palladium as a facilitator, a catalyst that speeds up chemical reactions without being consumed itself. It's like a director in a movie, guiding the actors, chemicals, to interact and produce the desired outcome, a new substance. This catalytic property is what makes palladium so important in industries like automobile manufacturing, where it plays a crucial role in catalytic converters. Palladium's strength is another remarkable characteristic. It exhibits excellent resistance to corrosion, even at high temperatures. This resistance to wear and tear makes it a perfect choice for components that need to withstand harsh conditions, such as those found in industrial processes or within your car's engine. Furthermore, palladium can absorb a significant amount of hydrogen gas, up to 900 times its own volume. This unique ability makes it a key player in fuel cell technology, a promising field for cleaner energy production. Let's dive a little deeper into this hydrogen absorption ability. Imagine palladium as a sponge, but instead of water, it absorbs hydrogen. This absorbed hydrogen can then be released in a controlled manner, making palladium an excellent storage medium for this clean energy carrier. Fuel cells, which convert hydrogen gas into electricity, rely on this property of palladium to function efficiently. As we move towards a future powered by renewable energy, palladium's role in fuel cell technology is only going to become more critical. But palladium's versatility doesn't end there. It also finds its way into electronics, where its excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion make it ideal for use in capacitors, connectors, and other components. The demand for smaller, more powerful electronic devices fuels the need for palladium in these applications. From the smartphone in your pocket to the sophisticated equipment used in medical imaging, palladium plays a silent but crucial role in our technologically advanced world. Now let's talk about why palladium is so valuable. The answer is simple: scarcity. Palladium is much rarer than gold with limited global production. It's primarily found as a byproduct of nickel and platinum mining operations, mainly in Russia and South Africa. This limited supply, coupled with growing demand from various industries, drives up palladium's price, making it a precious metal in the truest sense. To put this scarcity into perspective, consider that we mine about 800 times more gold than palladium each year. This rarity makes palladium a strategic metal, meaning its supply is crucial for essential industries and can be subject to geopolitical factors. The price volatility of palladium is a testament to this delicate balance between supply and demand. Any disruption in the supply chain, be it political instability in a major producing country or a surge in demand from a new technological application, can send palladium prices soaring. This scarcity, and the essential role palladium plays in our modern world, make it a compelling investment opportunity. As we become more reliant on technology, clean energy, and efficient industrial processes, the demand for palladium is only expected to grow. This anticipated demand, coupled with its limited supply, suggests that palladium's value could continue to rise in the future, making it an attractive option for investors looking to diversify their portfolios and potentially benefit from its unique position in the global market. We've established that palladium is rare, but its price is more than just a matter of scarcity. The fundamental economic principle of supply and demand plays a crucial role. Like any commodity, when the supply of palladium is limited and the demand is high, the price goes up. It's a simple concept, but understanding the nuances of this balance is key to grasping palladium's value. Let's break it down. On the supply side, we have a few key players. Russia and South Africa dominate palladium production, accounting for a significant portion of the global supply. This concentration of supply in a few countries makes palladium vulnerable to geopolitical risks and production disruptions. Any political instability, mining strikes, or changes in export policies can send shock waves through the palladium market, impacting supply and ultimately influencing price. Now, consider the demand side. Palladium is not just a shiny metal. It's an essential component in various industries, each with its own set of demands. The automotive industry in particular relies heavily on palladium for catalytic converters, which are crucial for reducing harmful emissions from gasoline-powered vehicles. As environmental regulations tighten globally and the demand for cleaner cars increases, the need for palladium in catalytic converters intensifies, further straining the supply-demand balance. This interplay of limited supply and growing demand creates a perfect storm for palladium's price. The metal's value becomes intrinsically linked to the performance of these industries, particularly the automotive sector. As long as we rely on gasoline-powered vehicles and global economies continue to grow, the demand for palladium is likely to remain robust, keeping its price elevated. Palladium's journey from the Earth's crust to your car's exhaust system is not without its geopolitical complexities. Its scarcity and strategic importance make it a pawn, in a sense, on the global chessboard of international relations and trade. The fact that a significant portion of palladium reserves and production is concentrated in a few countries, particularly Russia and South Africa, adds another layer of complexity to the equation. Russia, being the world's largest producer of palladium, wields considerable influence over its supply. Any political instability, economic sanctions, or changes in the country's export policies can have a ripple effect on the global palladium market. The ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, for example, has led to concerns about potential supply disruptions, further fueling palladium's price volatility. South Africa, the second largest producer, also faces its own set of challenges, including labor unrest in the mining sector and concerns about political stability. These uncertainties in major producing countries add a premium to palladium's price, as investors factor in the geopolitical risks associated with its supply chain. Furthermore, palladium's strategic importance in industries like automotive manufacturing and electronics makes it a metal of national interest for many countries. Governments may stockpile palladium reserves to ensure a stable supply for their industries, especially during times of global uncertainty. This strategic stockpiling can further tighten the market, putting upward pressure on prices. In essence, investing in palladium means understanding not just its industrial applications, but also the geopolitical forces that shape its supply and demand dynamics. The metal's price reflects not only its scarcity but also the complex interplay of political events, economic policies, and global trade relationships. The automotive industry stands as the single largest consumer of palladium, accounting for a substantial portion of global demand. This insatiable appetite for the precious metal stems from its crucial role in catalytic converters, a key component in most gasoline-powered vehicles. These emissions control devices rely on palladium's remarkable catalytic properties to convert harmful pollutants and exhaust gases into less toxic substances, making our air cleaner to breathe. As environmental regulations tighten globally, particularly in major car markets like China, Europe, and the United States, the demand for vehicles equipped with efficient catalytic converters continues to rise. Car manufacturers are compelled to meet these stringent emission standards, and palladium becomes a non-negotiable element in their quest for compliance. This regulatory push for cleaner vehicles directly translates into a surge in demand for palladium, putting upward pressure on its price. Moreover, the global fleet of gasoline-powered vehicles continues to grow, especially in developing economies experiencing rapid industrialization and urbanization. As more cars hit the road, the demand for catalytic converters, and consequently palladium, increases proportionally. This growing global car park, coupled with stricter emissions regulations, creates a sustained demand for palladium, making it a strategically important metal for the automotive industry. The rise of hybrid vehicles, which combine a gasoline engine with an electric motor, further adds to palladium's appeal. These vehicles still rely on catalytic converters to treat exhaust emissions from the gasoline engine, albeit in smaller quantities than traditional gasoline-only cars. As the hybrid vehicle segment expands, driven by consumer demand for more fuel-efficient and environmentally friendly options, the demand for palladium, though potentially at a slower pace, is likely to remain robust. In essence, the automotive industry's reliance on palladium for cleaner emissions has been a significant driver of its price appreciation. As long as gasoline-powered and hybrid vehicles dominate the roads, the demand for palladium in catalytic converters is likely to remain a key factor influencing its value in the global market. Investing in scarcity palladium's value proposition. Palladium's unique combination of scarcity, industrial demand, and geopolitical significance makes it an intriguing investment proposition, albeit not without its risks. Its price, often exceeding that of gold, reflects its strategic importance in key industries and its sensitivity to global supply and demand dynamics. For investors seeking portfolio diversification and potential long-term growth, palladium offers a compelling case provided they understand the factors driving its value. One of the key arguments for investing in palladium is its limited supply. Unlike gold, which has been mined for centuries and has substantial above-ground reserves, palladium is much rarer and primarily found as a byproduct of nickel and platinum mining. This limited supply, coupled with growing demand from industries like automotive manufacturing, creates a fundamental imbalance that underpins palladium's value proposition. Furthermore, palladium's use in catalytic converters, a crucial component in emissions control systems for gasoline-powered vehicles, ties its demand to the global automotive industry. As long as we rely on internal combustion engines, the need for palladium in catalytic converters is likely to remain strong, supporting its price. Although the transition to electric vehicles poses a long-term challenge, it is unlikely to eliminate the demand for palladium in the foreseeable future, as hybrid vehicles, which still require catalytic converters, are expected to play a significant role in the evolving automotive landscape. However, investing in palladium is not without its risks. Its price is notoriously volatile, susceptible to swings caused by geopolitical events, production disruptions in major producing countries, and fluctuations in industrial demand. The ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, for example, has injected uncertainty into the palladium market, as Russia is a major supplier of the metal. Investors need to be comfortable with this price volatility and understand that palladium is a long-term investment, best suited for those seeking exposure to a unique asset class with the potential for significant price appreciation over time. The unsung hero of clean air palladium in catalytic converters. Let's talk about why palladium matters, why it's not just another shiny metal buried deep underground. The answer lies in its remarkable ability to clean up our act, literally. Palladium is a crucial component in catalytic converters, those unsung heroes hidden within the exhaust systems of most gasoline-powered vehicles. You don't see them, but they're hard at work, scrubbing the air we breathe. Imagine a tiny chemical factory nestled within your car's underbelly. That's essentially what a catalytic converter is, and palladium is the star player in this miniature chemical plant. As exhaust gases laden with harmful pollutants flow through the converter, they encounter a honeycomb structure coated with palladium and other precious metals. This is where the magic happens. Palladium acts as a catalyst, a facilitator of chemical reactions. It doesn't get consumed in the process. It simply assists in transforming harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and unburned hydrocarbons into less harmful substances like carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and water vapor. Think of palladium as a chemical matchmaker, bringing together reactive molecules and guiding them towards a cleaner outcome. This remarkable ability to convert toxic gases into less harmful ones makes palladium an indispensable element in the fight against air pollution. As environmental regulations tighten globally and the demand for cleaner vehicles increases, the need for palladium in catalytic converters intensifies, making it a cornerstone of efforts to improve air quality and mitigate the impacts of climate change. Beyond the exhaust pipe, palladium in electronics and technology. While its role in cleaning up vehicle emissions is perhaps its most widely known application, palladium's importance extends far beyond the automotive industry. It's a versatile player in the world of electronics, finding its way into a myriad of devices that power our modern lives, from the smartphones in our pockets to the sophisticated equipment used in medical imaging. Palladium's excellent electrical conductivity, coupled with its resistance to corrosion, makes it an ideal material for use in electronic components. It finds a home in multi-layer ceramic capacitors, tiny devices that store electrical energy, ensuring the smooth functioning of everything from smartphones and laptops to advanced medical devices and telecommunications equipment. Furthermore, palladium plays a crucial role in connectors, those essential interfaces that allow electrical signals to flow between different components within electronic devices. Its durability and resistance to wear and tear ensure reliable connections, even in demanding environments, making it a preferred choice for connectors used in computers, automotive electronics, and industrial equipment. Beyond its direct use in electronic components, palladium also plays a crucial role in the manufacturing process of certain electronic devices. For instance, it is used in the production of some types of printed circuit boards, the intricate networks of conductive pathways that connect and support electronic components within a device. In essence, palladium's presence in the electronics industry, though often unseen, is pervasive. Its unique properties make it an indispensable element in our increasingly technology-dependent world, ensuring the reliable performance of the electronic devices we rely upon daily. A touch of luxury palladium in jewelry and investment. Palladium's allure extends beyond its industrial applications. It also shines brightly in the world of luxury and investment. As a precious metal, it shares the stage with gold, silver, and platinum, captivating investors and jewelry enthusiasts alike with its lustrous beauty and enduring value. In the realm of jewelry, palladium offers a unique appeal. Its naturally white sheen, reminiscent of platinum but with a lighter weight and often a more affordable price tag, has made it an increasingly popular choice for engagement rings, wedding bands, and other fine jewelry pieces. Its durability and resistance to tarnishing ensure that palladium jewelry retains its brilliance over time, becoming a cherished heirloom passed down through generations. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, palladium holds significant investment value. Its scarcity, coupled with its growing industrial demand, makes it a tangible asset with the potential for long-term price appreciation. Investors seeking to diversify their portfolios and hedge against inflation often turn to precious metals like palladium, drawn to their intrinsic value and historical track record as a store of wealth. The investment landscape offers various avenues for participating in the palladium market. Investors can choose to hold physical palladium in the form of bars or coins, offering a tangible sense of ownership. Exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, provide a more liquid and accessible option, allowing investors to track the price of palladium without the need for physical storage. Other investment vehicles, such as futures contracts and mining company stocks, offer more specialized ways to gain exposure to palladium's price movements. The future of palladium, riding the waves of innovation. As we navigate an era defined by rapid technological advancements and a growing awareness of environmental sustainability, palladium stands poised at the forefront of these transformative trends. Its unique properties, once confined to the realm of catalytic converters, are now being harnessed in innovative ways, promising to shape the future of industries ranging from clean energy to advanced electronics. One area where palladium is making significant strides is in fuel cell technology. a promising frontier in the quest for cleaner energy solutions. Fuel cells, which convert hydrogen gas into electricity with water as the only byproduct, rely on palladium's remarkable ability to absorb and release hydrogen. As the world seeks alternatives to fossil fuels, palladium's role in fuel cell technology is set to expand, potentially revolutionizing the automotive industry and beyond. Furthermore, palladium's catalytic prowess is being explored for applications in green chemistry, a field focused on developing environmentally friendly chemical processes. Its ability to facilitate chemical reactions efficiently and with minimal waste makes it an attractive catalyst for various industrial processes, potentially reducing our reliance on harmful chemicals and contributing to a more sustainable future. However, the future of palladium is not without its challenges. The transition to electric vehicles, while a positive step towards reducing carbon emissions, poses a potential threat to palladium's dominance in the automotive industry. As electric vehicles gain market share, the demand for catalytic converters and consequently palladium could decline. However, this transition is expected to be gradual, and hybrid vehicles, which still require catalytic converters, are likely to play a significant role in the interim, providing continued demand for palladium. In essence, palladium's journey is far from over. Physical palladium bars, coins, and the tangible touch. For investors seeking a direct and tangible stake in the palladium market, physical ownership in the form of bars or coins offers a timeless appeal. Holding this gleaming metal in your hands provides a sense of security and a connection to a tangible asset with a rich history as a store of value. However, venturing into the world of physical palladium requires careful consideration of storage, authenticity, and liquidity. Palladium bars, typically available in various weights ranging from 1 ounce to larger kilogram bars, are a popular choice for investors seeking to accumulate significant holdings. Reputable dealers and bullion distributors worldwide offer these bars, often adorned with their purity and weight, providing assurance of authenticity. However, storing these bars securely becomes paramount, as their value makes them an attractive target for theft. Home safes, though an option for smaller holdings, might not offer adequate security for larger investments. Secure vaulting services, often provided by banks or specialized storage companies, offer a more robust solution, albeit at an additional cost. Palladium coins, on the other hand, offer a more accessible entry point for investors seeking smaller denominations. Government mints worldwide, including the Royal Canadian Mint, the United States Mint, and the Perth Mint, produce these coins, each bearing unique designs and purity guarantees. These coins, often available in fractional sizes like 1/10 ounce or 1/4 ounce, provide flexibility in investment amounts. While storage concerns are less pronounced compared to larger bars, ensuring their authenticity remains crucial. Purchasing from reputable dealers and verifying the coin's hallmarks can mitigate the risk of acquiring counterfeit products. Liquidity, the ease with which an asset can be bought or sold without significantly impacting its price, is another factor to consider when investing in physical palladium. While palladium bars and coins are generally recognizable and accepted by dealers worldwide, their liquidity can vary depending on market conditions and the size of the holding. Selling large quantities quickly might require accepting a slightly lower price than the prevailing market rate. For investors seeking a more liquid and accessible way to participate in the palladium market, exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, offer an appealing alternative to physical ownership. These financial instruments, traded on major stock exchanges like stocks, track the price of palladium, providing investors with exposure to its price movements without the complexities of storing and securing physical bullion. Palladium ETFs, like their counterparts tracking other commodities or stock indices, hold a basket of palladium assets, typically in the form of physical bars held in secure vaults. These ETFs aim to reflect the price movements of palladium as closely as possible, allowing investors to benefit from its price appreciation or, conversely, experience losses if the price declines, without directly owning the physical metal. One of the key advantages of palladium ETFs lies in their liquidity. Traded on major stock exchanges, these ETFs can be bought or sold throughout the trading day, much like stocks, offering investors flexibility in entering and exiting their positions. This ease of trading contrasts with the potential challenges of selling physical palladium, which might require finding a willing buyer and negotiating a price. Furthermore, Palladium ETFs often provide a degree of diversification within the precious metals asset class. Some ETFs might hold a mix of precious metals including palladium, platinum, gold, and silver, allowing investors to spread their risk across multiple metals. This diversification can help mitigate losses if one metal underperforms while others perform well. However, investing in palladium ETFs is not without its considerations. Like any investment, ETFs carry inherent market risks, and the price of palladium can be volatile, influenced by factors such as global supply and demand dynamics, geopolitical events, and industrial production levels. Additionally, ETFs charge management fees, typically a small percentage of the assets under management, which can erode investment returns over time. For investors seeking more specialized and potentially higher risk, higher reward avenues within the palladium market, futures contracts and mining company stocks offer intriguing, albeit more complex, investment options. These instruments, while not suitable for all investors, can provide leveraged exposure to palladium's price movements or allow investors to bet on the success of companies involved in its exploration and production. Palladium futures contracts, traded on commodity exchanges, represent agreements to buy or sell a specified quantity of palladium at a predetermined price and future date. These contracts, often used by hedgers to manage price risk, can also be employed by speculators seeking to profit from anticipated price movements. However, futures trading involves substantial leverage, meaning that even small price fluctuations can result in significant gains or losses, making it a high-risk endeavor suitable only for experienced investors with a high-risk tolerance. Investing in palladium mining company stocks offers another way to participate in the metal's price movements, albeit indirectly. These companies engaged in exploring, developing, and extracting palladium from the earth see their stock prices influenced by factors such as palladium prices, production costs, and global demand. When palladium prices rise, mining companies with profitable operations often experience stock price appreciation, offering investors potential gains. However, investing in mining stocks carries inherent risks associated with the mining industry, including exploration uncertainties, operational challenges, and commodity price volatility. Before venturing into palladium futures or mining stocks, thorough research and a deep understanding of these instruments' complexities and risks are paramount. Seeking guidance from financial advisors experienced in commodities and resource investments can prove invaluable in navigating these specialized corners of the palladium market. We've journeyed deep into the world of palladium, exploring its origins, its importance, and its potential as an investment. We've uncovered its vital role in cleaning our air, powering our technologies, and even adorning us with its lustrous beauty. But what does it all mean for the savvy investor seeking to navigate the complexities of the global marketplace? Palladium stands apart as an investment, offering a unique blend of scarcity, industrial demand, and growth potential. Unlike many commodities subject to the whims of fashion or fleeting technological trends, palladium's importance is deeply intertwined with fundamental global shifts towards cleaner energy, stricter environmental regulations, and an ever-growing reliance on technology. These trends, rather than diminishing palladium's significance, seem poised to amplify its importance in the years to come. Investing in palladium, however, is not for the faint of heart. Its price, known for its volatility, can swing dramatically in response to geopolitical events, supply chain disruptions, or even a whisper of economic uncertainty. This inherent volatility, while a source of potential profit for some, can be unsettling for those seeking a calm and predictable investment journey. Yet for those comfortable with a touch of risk, for those who see opportunity in the face of uncertainty, palladium presents a compelling case. Its limited supply, coupled with its growing demand in industries crucial to a sustainable future, suggests that its value proposition is unlikely to fade anytime soon. As we gaze toward the horizon of technological innovation and a world grappling with the challenges of environmental sustainability, palladium emerges as more than just a precious metal. It stands as an enabler of progress, a catalyst for positive change. Its unique properties, once confined to the realm of catalytic converters, are now being harnessed in ways that could reshape industries and redefine our relationship with energy and technology. The rise of fuel cell technology, A beacon of hope in the quest for clean energy solutions, shines a spotlight on palladium's remarkable ability to absorb and release hydrogen. As the world seeks alternatives to fossil fuels, palladium could play a pivotal role in powering a new generation of vehicles and energy systems, paving the way for a greener and more sustainable future. Beyond its contributions to clean energy, palladium's catalytic prowess is being explored in various fields, from green chemistry to advanced electronics. Its ability to facilitate chemical reactions efficiently and with minimal waste makes it an invaluable tool for developing environmentally friendly processes and technologies, further solidifying its importance in a world striving for sustainability. Investing in palladium, therefore, becomes more than just a financial decision. It aligns with a broader narrative of progress and responsible innovation. It's an investment in a future where cleaner air, sustainable technologies, and a reduced reliance on fossil fuels are not just aspirations, but tangible realities. Of course, the path forward is unlikely to be linear. Challenges will arise, uncertainties will linger, and the ever-fickle nature of the global marketplace will continue to test the mettle of even the most seasoned investors. Yet, amidst this dynamic landscape, palladium stands as a beacon of opportunity, a testament to the enduring value of a rare and precious resource with the potential to shape a brighter and more sustainable future.